So tell us a little bit about some of the building blocks that you use to create the various products you have.
Yeah, basically these products came out of an engineering company that I had called PCS Engineering. And what we did there was we provided kind of custom solutions in the mid-90s. We started out with an MPEG-2 encoder that was on a small printed circuit board. It was kind of a standalone little encoder, and then we did a standalone QAM modulator, an RF converter, and for instance, we did a modulator, a programmable modulator, and RF converter that looked like a disk drive. And the idea was, well, why write to the drive? Why don't we go right to RF? So the idea was that we could just spool transport streams right out of a PC and go right to RF. The problem that we found there is that most people didn't understand that they couldn't go directly from an encoder to a modulator to a set-top box, that there were other tables and other things that were needed to make the system work. And so there was a limited market for those. But they did fulfill a lot of custom applications. For instance, we did a multi-channel, multi-user TiVo type box around 1998, I guess. We did basically four different tuners, and we had kind of a master server in the house that had 4 tuners in it, and it had 4 remote receivers. And basically you could add and drop or select programs. So I guess it would be a multi-user, multi-channel TiVo box. So we learned how to process, multiplex these signals for these custom applications, over about an 8-year period of time. So really what we've done is just take all of this intellectual property and our know-how and applied them to a commercial application. So we get kind of the cost benefit of learning how to do it inexpensively, but still perform some very I'd say pretty exotic functions.